Hello everyone, it's Alexandra with WTI, and one fragrance that I feel does not get the attention it deserves is Mon Guerlain Sparkling Bouquet. This fragrance is my go-to perfume whether I go out during the day or I go out during the night. It is a smell that I feel comfortable and that I believe suits every occasion. So if you want to get a fragrance that smells fresh and at the same time smells floral and that it is subtle enough that you do not feel it bombards the room in a way that feels too much, but at the same time it lasts long, then this is the perfect fragrance for you. Its main accords are citrus, floral, fresh, lavender, fruity, and sweet, and its top notes are pear, bergamot, and mandarin orange. And also, as you can see, the applicator has a simple design, but at the same time, it makes it look delicate and looks really well wherever you store your fragrances. And that is my point of view.